Hey everyone, Justin from the Wrap Institute, and in this TWI tooltip video, the focus is on how to keep the edge of your wrap axe nice and sharp. Now this is for me is the best all-around tucking tool out there because it's very effective for tucking the film behind the rubber. It's also very effective for cutting the wrapping film, which is really cool. That being said, after a few cars, maybe, naturally, it gets a little dull. So how do you extend the life of it? Well, think about no different than how you work with your knife. If your knife is dull, what do? You click it, now it's extra sharp. Well, the wrap axe, what you can do is, I always have a little bit of sandpaper on my tool cart. You can either stick it on the cart or on the tape. What I do is I stick it here, and on the thin edge, if I want to freshen it up a little bit, I just take the wrap axe and I keep it low and flat. And I just go back and forth a little bit. Really key to keep it low and flat. Make sure you use around 400 grade sandpaper right there. Now my wrap axe is nice and fresh, and I can extend the life and I get that perfect cut. Then once it gets down super low, well, I just can grab a new one from the pack. Awesome stuff. But basically you can now make sure it's super sharp, you get that perfect cut, and this is a great tip for using one of the best tucking tools out there.